Welcome to this bronze spotlight eye tutorial. We've primed our model's eyes with Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. We've then begun with our transition colour from the Violet Voss palette, using transition. We've then begun to build this colour up, going onto brownie points from the same palette, and smoking the corners up a little bit more to get more depth with Teddy Bear. We've continued the same colours underneath the eye, and then taken out the section for the spotlight with a matte concealer, going in to soften those edges with the Violet Voss hashtag. For the spotlight, we've used Pierre René loose eyeshadow in LE19, line the lash line with some Illamasqua black gel pot, and also put that down on the waterline too. We've sealed that in with some brown eyeshadow just to soften the black, and added the usual mascara, made a bit of a mess. Then we've added the Eldora lashes in H168 and H167, stacked those on top of each other. Just touching up with some more of the Illamasqua gel, hydrating the skin with some of the MAC primer, and then we're going in with High Definition Brows. It's their foundation in Ivory. As you can tell, this foundation is quite warm. The lightest is Porcelain, but we did opt to go for a slightly more beachy look, so we did warm up her neck afterwards. We've then gone in with the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage just around the eyes, and we've used the High Definition Brow Palette powders. These are all silica based, so they are water resistant. MAC mineralised powders to set. These are, because they're a mineralised powder, don't tend to look too flat on the skin, so we have a bit more radiance. Then the Laura Geller highlighter, strip down liner from MAC, and some Peach Please from Jordana T-shirt. And that's the finished look. Hope you like it.